So today we're going to tell about our 5 senses. The sense of sight, touch, smell, hearing, and taste. So let's begin this senses video. So first, let's begin with the sense of sight. So the sense of sight's organ is the eyes. The eyes help you see everything around you. So now, let's move on to the sense of smell. Here you go. The sense of smell has 2 different categories. One is good smell and one is bad smell. So, the good smell is flowers and the bad smell is something like trash. With your nose, you can smell everything from good to bad. Now let's move on to the next sense, which is taste. So, the sense of taste helps you taste things. We could taste things with our tongue. So we could taste sweet, sour, bitter, spicy, and salty. Now let's move on to the next sense, which is hearing. Here you go. So with your ears, you could hear everything around you. You could hear airplanes in the sky. You could hear the wind blowing. And you could hear loud noises. And you could hear clapping. You could hear everything around you with your ears. So now let's move on to the next sense, which is the sense of touch. Hey, it's touch. So, with the sense of touch, well, your sense of touch is mostly all your skin. Well, you touch things with your hand. So you could feel things from rough, smooth, soft, and hard. I'm touching the hard, smooth table. See, here's the hard, smooth table. You can feel everything with your hands. So, these are all our 5 senses. Sight, smell, taste, and hearing. That's hearing. And touch. Touch. This is all about the sense organ. If you guys like this video, please like, share,